A common question that comes up with the ERC is, does this tax credit also apply to wages paid to business owners? The answer is, it can, but there are important caveats. Wages paid to owners who have a 50% or less ownership stake in the company can potentially qualify for the credit. However, you have to look at both direct and indirect ownership when determining if an owner exceeds the 50% threshold. For example, if a husband and wife each own 30% of a business, together they own more than 50%, so neither would qualify for ERC on their wages. Ownership is determined across family members including spouses, parents, children and grandchildren. So you have to look at how much combined ownership control a family has. The wages of owners with over 50% ownership do not qualify for ERC. But owners with a minority stake of 50% or less in the business can get the tax credit on their wages, just like for other employees. So in summary, owners with 50% or less ownership can qualify for ERC. Look at total family ownership to determine if over 50% threshold. Majority owners with over 50% ownership do not qualify. Checking your specific ownership structure is an important step in determining the full value of the ERC program for your business. Need some help filing your escape paperwork? Give us a call. Click the link in the description to get some free, no obligation help. Thanks for watching.